The Arduino Uno R3 is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P chip. It is a highly flexible board used for building various kinds of electronic projects, from simple digital I/O interfacing to complex robotics and IoT solutions. The Arduino Uno R3 operates by executing instructions from a program written in the Arduino programming language. It has 14 digital I/O pins and 6 analog input pins that allow it to connect and interact with other modules, sensors, and actuators. The ATmega 328P microcontroller runs the user code, which enables the board to perform tasks like reading sensors, driving motors, and sending data over communication protocols. The Arduino Uno R3 development board is a popular microcontroller platform. It features the ATmega 328P microcontroller and provides an easy-to-use environment for programming and prototyping. With a range of digital and analog outputs, it's suitable for various projects, from robotics to IoT, making it a favorite among electronics enthusiasts and engineers.